One of the most popular read book amongst the Hindus is the Bhagavad Gita. If you read Bhagavad Gita, chapter number 1, verse number 43 to 46, Bhagavad Gita is the advice given by Shri Krishna in the battlefield. Mahabharata is a story of a battle between two groups of cousins, 100 cousins, that's the Kauravas and the 5 Pandavas. And Bhagavad Gita is the 18 chapters of Mahabharata, advice given by Lord Krishna to Arjun, who is one of the strongest warriors among the Pandavas, among the 5 brothers. In Bhagavad Gita, chapter number 1, verse number 43 to 46, Arjun, in the battlefield, he puts his weapons on the ground and says, I would prefer being killed unarmed rather than fight my cousins. Few verses later, Bhagavad Gita, chapter number 2, verse number 2 and 3, Shri Krishna, the Lord and God of the Hindus, he is telling Arjun, O Arjun, how can you be so impotent? You are a Kshatriya. It is the duty of a Kshatriya to fight. Kshatriya is a warrior caste amongst the Hindus. And he continues, Bhagavad Gita chapter 2 verse number 31-32, he said, blessed are those Kshatriya who get opportunity to fight. And if you fight, you will get reward.